Hello everyone, hello grade 4. Our lesson today is multiplying large numbers. Let's start. First, we will remember some points. If we have 4 times 7 equals what? Yes, equals 28. 4 and 7 are called two factors, but 28 is called the product. Let's revise some points from multiplication table. The first, he said 4 times 5 equals what, guys? Yes, equals 20. 6 times 7, 42. 8 times 5, 40. 10 times 5 equals 50. 6 times 8, 48. 9 times 6, yes, equals 54. 7 times 8 equals what, guys? Yes, 56. 9 times 7 equals what? Take your time, yes, 63. 3 times 9 equals what, guys? 27. 7 times 7 equals 49. 8 times 4 equals 32. Finally, 4 times 9 equals 36. Let's remember now equal products. We studied before equal products. The first one, he said 4 times 5 equals 2 times what? Ask yourself, 4 times 5 equals what, guys? Yes, equals 20. Now 2 times what equals 20? Yes, 2 times 10. So the missing number here is 10. 6 times 6 equals what? Yes, equals 36. Now ask yourself, 4 times what equals 36? Yes, 4 times 9. 6 times 2 equals 2 times 6 equals 12. We studied before. We have here 1 times 9 equals what? Equals 9. Now ask yourself, 3 times what equals 9? Yes, it's easy. 3 times 3. 6 times 5 equals what, guys? Equals 30. Now we have 10 times 3 equals 30. So the missing number here is 10. Next, 6 times 4 equals 24. Now what number times 3 equals 24? Yes, 8. So the missing number here is 8. 6 times 4 equals 24. Now what number times 2 equals 24? We studied before that 12 times 2 equals 24. By the same way, 15 times 2 equals 30. 30 is what? 6 times 5. 10 times 4 equals 40. 5 times what equals 40? 5 times 8. Let's complete this sentence. He asked here 1 times 5, 1 times 13, 1 times 73. The rule here, 1 times any number equals the same number. So 1 times 5 equals 5, 1 times 13 equals 13, 1 times 73 equals 73. Don't forget the rule here, 1 times any number equals the same number. Next rule, multiplying by 0. Any number times 0 equals what, guys? Yes, equals 0. So 1 times 0 equals 0, 13 times 0 equals 0, and 73 times 0 equals 0. The rule, 0 times any number equals 0. We will revise now the commutative property. 4 times 5 equals 5 times 4. By the same way, 7 times 8 equals 8 times 7. This property is called what, guys? Commutative property. In other words, we can say A times B equals B times A. You can complete now. 8 times 4 equals what times 8? Yes, 4 times 8. And 6 times any number equals the same number times 6. We can choose here any number. 6 times 9 equals 9 times 6. They are the same. Now multiplying by one digit number. We have two ways. We can write the two numbers horizontal or vertical. Our example is 324 times 2 equals what? We will start from right to left. We will say here 2 times 4, followed by 2 times 2, followed by 2 times 3. So we will start from units place, followed by tens place, followed by thousands place or hundreds place, followed by next place. So 2 times 4 equals what, guys? Yes, equals 8. 2 times 2 equals 4, and 2 times 3 equals 6. We can write here vertical 2 times 4, it's same, equals 8. 2 times 2 equals 4, and 3 times 2 equals 6. The number here 648 is called what, guys? Yes, is called the product. Don't forget this word. The second rule here is using distributive property. It's called expanded form. We will use here expanded form of the number 324. If I ask you, we can write 324 as what, guys? Expanded form as 300 plus 20 plus 4 times 2. Now we can distribute. Now we will multiply 300 by 2. Yes, plus what? 20 by 2. By the same way, 4 times 2. Now 300 times 2, just drop double 0, and 2 times 3 equals 6. It will be 600 plus 20 times 2 equals 40 plus 4 times 2 equals 8. Now we can add, we can find it mentally. 600 plus 40 plus 8 equals 648. The same product. Example, find each product. We have here many questions on multiplying by one digit number. By the same way, we will start from right to left. We will say 8 times 2 followed by 8 times 3, 8 times 4, and so on. 8 times 2 equals what, guys? Equals 16. Write 6 and carry 1 over 3. 8 times 3 first equals 24 plus 1 equals 25. We write 5 and keep 2 over 4. 8 times 4 equals 32. 32 plus 2 equals 34. Next, 3 times 5 equals 15. Write 5 and keep 1. 3 times 0 equals 0. So drop 1 here. 3 times 0 equals 0. 3 times 1 equals the same number, 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. And 3 times 3 equals 9. Next, 6 times 4 equals what, guys? Equals 24. Yes, write 4 and keep 2 over 7. 6 times 7 equals what, guys? Yes, equals 42. 42 plus 2 equals 44. So we write here 4 and keep 4 up 0. Note 6 times 0 equals 0. So we will drop 4 as it is. Now 6 times 1 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. Write 2 and keep 1 over 3. 6 times 3 equals 18. 18 plus 1 equals 19. Next, 5 times 5 equals, yes, 25. Write 5 and keep 2. 5 times 1 equals what? 5 plus 2 equals 7. 5 times 1 equals 5. The same. 5 times 3, guys, equals 15. Write 5 and carry 1 over 4. Now 5 times 4 equals what? 20 plus 1 equals 21. Write 1 and keep 2. 5 times 6 equals 30. 30 plus 2 equals 32. Write 2 and keep 3 over 7. Finally, 5 times 7, 35. 35 plus 3 equals what, guys? 38. You can read this number, by the way, it's a product. We can read this number, it's here 8-digit number. We can say 38,215,575. Next, guys, we have here 8 times 3 equals 24. Write 4 and keep 2. 8 times 1 equals 8 plus 2, 10. So we write 0 and carry 1 over 7. 8 times 7 equals what? 56. 56 plus 1 equals 57. Write 7 and keep 5. 8 times 2, 16. 16 now plus 5 equals 21. Write 1 and keep 2 over 3. 8 times 3 equals what? 24. Write 4. Sorry. Again, 8 times 3 equals 24. 24 plus 2 equals 26. Write 6 and keep here 2 over 0. 8 times 0, it will be 0, so we will drop 2 as it is. 8 times 4 equals 32. Next, 7 times 3 by the same way, we will start from right to left, equals 21. Write 1 and keep 2. 7 times 0, it will be 0, so we will drop here 2 as it is. 7 times 0 equals 0. Next, 7 times 1 and 7 times 1, we have here double 1, it will be double 7. 7 times 7 equals 49. Thank you for watching. See you soon, guys.